Hi, welcome to Prognozy Capital. Today we will understand the FII market open positions. Let's understand how FII made positions on 3rd of October 2023. Once you learn how to decode the FII positions, you will able to predict the market moves. So let's get started. Index performance. Nifty close negative at 19,528.75. Down minus 109.55 points. Short build-up seen in Nifty with increased OI 15,730 contracts. Nifty options build-ups. Nifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 19,600, with OI increased by 164.04%. Nifty support or put option OI build-up at 19,250. With OI increased by 166.20%. Banknifty close negative at 44,399.05, down minus 185.5 points. Long unwind seen in Banknifty with decreased OI minus 1,795.8 contracts. Banknifty option buildups. Banknifty resistance or call option OI build-up at 44,400, with OI increased by 594.46%. Banknifty support or put option OI build-up at 44,300, with OI increased by 152.79%. Cash market positions. FII today sold 2,034.14 CR. DII today bought 1,361.02 CR in cash market. FII futures and option cash positions. FII sold 1,839.33 CR in index futures. Also bought 7,882.05 CR in index option. They sold 1,892.42 CR in stocks futures. And sold 172 CR in stocks option. Total net bought 3,978.30 CR in F&O market. FII index futures positions, long and shorts. In index futures, FII closed 1,327 long contracts and added 19,261 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in index with minus 85,893 contracts compared to previous minus 65,305 contracts. FII stocks futures positions, long and shorts. In stocks futures, FII closed 21,540 long contracts and added 5,186 short contracts. With this, FII is now net short in stocks with minus 152,634 contracts compared to previous minus 125,908 contracts. FII index option positions, long and shorts. Index options, upside direction. In index options, FII added 376,214 call long and added 39,208 put shorts. Total call long and put shorts for the day comes to 415,422 contracts. Index options, downside direction. In index options, FII added 384,070 put long and added 134,412 call shorts. Total put long and call shorts for the day comes to 518,482 contracts. FII index option analysis. FII's net put long is 591,208 contracts compared to previous 246,346 contracts. And net call long is 351,400 contracts compared to previous 109,598 contracts. Option build-ups on short side is more than long side suggests that upside is limited. This is how FII created their position in various segments. Check out our market snapshot sheet for detailed position build-ups by FII, DII, pros and clients. To get the FII data on daily basis, please join our Telegram channel, search for Prognozy Capital in Telegram. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily updates on FII data. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and please like us and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.